This video will focus on the Vigil2 cutter or display replacement. To access the connections for the cutter and the display, you have to open up the main box. Two closing screws, both Phillips head, one here and one underneath the hologram sticker. I've already loosened both of those screws. Once you do that, flip the unit over, remove the top. This is the cutter. It says cutter right above it. And this is the LCD. This is LCD right below it. To remove either or, you lift up and you pull gently out as it comes through the rubber sealing ring. To put in your new display and or cutter, gently put the connection back in, making sure that you get the sealing ring positioned over the cutter and or display connection. There's a groove over the connector that should sit in, and a groove under the connector that it also needs to sit in. Once you've gotten the cutter back into place and your silicone, your rubber sealing ring with the silicone grease is in place, you can then close the unit back up, paying special attention that your sealing ring stays in place. Flip the unit over, tighten both screws. As you start to tighten it down, you can look along the side, make sure your sealing ring stays in place. Once both screws are in place, you'll take your new hologram sticker that you'll get with your cutter or your display, and again place it over the screw that is closest to the cutter and display connections. Turn the unit on, make sure it's operating correctly. If it is, you successfully replace the cutter and or display.